when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go,
My channel. Or if it's your first time here, prepare to question your life choices. Seriously, you could have been watching a cat video, but you chose me. Bless your heart. So today, we're talking about how to succeed on YouTube in 2025. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, but aren't you still struggling to get 100 views per video? Yes, I am. But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be rolling in subscribers, brand deals, and probably some weird unsolicited DMS from brands that think you'd look great in their premium fitness leggings. Let's get started.
I ate 5 homeless people because I thought they were watermelons. Hi, my name is Sukmi Blickballs, and this is my story. It was a lovely morning and I demolished my toilet after eating some spicy miakans. I then was on my way to work when I seen 5 talking watermelons asking for change. I thought I was tripping, so I quickly devoured them and left. Guys, is it normal for your pee to be green? Asking for a friend, by the way.
Step 1, make sure you have the right equipment. Now, I know what you're thinking. Do I need a $5,000 camera and a ring light that could double as a spaceship? Yes and no. The key is to invest in some gear that makes you look like you have your life together. You don't need the fanciest stuff, but you do need something that screams, I've watched 7 YouTube tutorials on lighting alone. So, if you have a potato quality webcam and a lamp from the 90s, just make sure you're tilted in a way that hides your broken Wi-Fi router. Boom! Instant professional. Step 2, consistency. Okay, here's the deal. Folks, posting a video once every 3 months isn't gonna cut it. Unless your goal is to become the official Where Are They Now feature of YouTube. No, you need to post at least 52 times a week. No, that's a joke. Don't actually do that. But seriously, consistency is the key.
Do you speak any English? Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Try to upload a video every week. And by every week, I mean every month. That's pretty much the same thing, right? Step 3, find your niche. In 2025, the key to YouTube success is to find that one thing that makes you stand out. Cooking? Nah, too mainstream. Gaming? Everybody's doing it. DIY, please. Do you know how many broken coffee tables we've all tried to fix with hot glue? You gotta find your real niche. You know, like unboxing antique toenails clippers, or the art of whispering to plants. Something unique like that. Or like just make a video about how to procrastinate and get 2 million views, because let's be real, we all just waiting for the next season of The Office on repeat.
No question about it, I am ready to get hurt again.
Step 4, engage with your audience. You're not just talking to a screen, folks. You're building a community, a family, a weird digitally connected family where everybody or everyone probably forgets to reply to your comments, but loves leaving OMG, I'm first comment for clout. Reply to every comment, like every post, and make sure to hit that subscribe button until it feels like a personal attack from the YouTube algorithm. Oh, and always ask your viewers to hit that notification bell, because we all know they definitely don't do it, but it's nice to pretend they do, right? Step 5. Master the algorithm. This one is easy. Just mention AI, cryptocurrency, or viral trends in your video title, and YouTube will automatically promote your content to people who will click without even watching. It's like magic. But seriously, folks, the algorithm is a mystery. No one really knows how it works. You just have to throw random words like a mad scientist and pray that Puppy plus dance challenge plus ASMR is your ticket to fame. So, here's the secret to YouTube success in 2025. Good lighting. A niche nobody's thought of yet. A title that includes words like epic or unbelievable. A thumbnail with a shock face, because apparently that's what sells. And at least but not least, pray for the algorithm. And that's it, folks. Follow these steps and you'll probably succeed on YouTube in 2025, or end up with a solid 300 subscribers and collection of weird unsolicited messages from brands trying to sell you socks. Either way, it's a win-win. So if you liked this video, or if you didn't, but you still feel sorry for me, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Just in case I ever make a video that's actually good. See you next time, unless you're too busy watching cat videos. I get it, I really do. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, or the algorithm will haunt you. Will haunt you.